Then mistakes started piling up. Bad financial decisions created stress and uncertainty.
Hello viewers. Today I'm bringing you an incredible finance niche that has huge potential. The best part is that this entire content strategy can be created with the help of 100% free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create finance niche videos like these step by step. First, head over to YouTube and search for the channel Willy Finance. As you can see, this channel is only a few months old, yet it has already gained a significant number of subscribers. The channel is fully monetized and is generating impressive monthly revenue, which is truly inspiring. Now, let's take a look at the performance of these videos. You can see that many of them have received hundreds of thousands of views, with some crossing the 400,000 view mark. This clearly shows that there is a strong audience demand for this type of content. If we create similar high-quality videos and build a channel around this niche, we also have the potential to achieve substantial growth. Take some time to analyze these videos one by one. Notice how unique each topic is and how professionally the content is presented. Every video covers a different angle within the finance niche, making the channel highly engaging and appealing to viewers. Most importantly, many of these topics are currently trending, which increases their viral potential. Now that we've analyzed the channel, let's move on to the master prompt. You'll find this master prompt in the description below. It includes everything you need, including character prompts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and much more. Everything has already been prepared for you, so there's no need to worry. As you can see, the master prompt contains all the essential details, including the visual style and content structure. Simply copy the prompt and open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, paste the master prompt into the chat and click on the Generate button. And just like that, all of your prompts will be generated automatically. You can review each one individually and see how detailed, engaging, and professional they are. These prompts are designed to create highly compelling content that keeps viewers interested from start to finish. Take a moment to review the generated results. You'll notice that every prompt is carefully structured and optimized to produce high-quality output. The level of detail and engagement is exactly what makes this content so effective. Once your prompts are ready, simply copy the image prompt and move over to your image generation tool. For this demonstration, I'll be using Google Gemini, which is an excellent tool for generating AI images. I'll copy the first image prompt, paste it into Gemini, select the 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. As you can see, my first image has already started generating. The results look professional, visually appealing, and perfectly suited for creating engaging finance content. My first image is now ready. As you can see, the result looks absolutely amazing. The 2D visual style is clean, professional, and highly engaging, making it perfect for finance content. Now, what I'm going to do is simply copy my second prompt, paste it into the image generator, select the appropriate aspect ratio, and click Generate. After a short wait, boom, my second image is ready as well. The quality is impressive, and the consistency between the scenes is excellent. One of the best things about Google Gemini is that it's completely free to use, so there's no need to worry about additional costs. Not only is it free, but it also produces outstanding results that are more than good enough for professional content creation. Next, I'll copy my third prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click the Generate button once again. After waiting a few moments, boom, my third image is now ready. Take a look at the result. It's creating highly detailed and visually appealing scenes with remarkable accuracy. Now let's move on to the fourth scene. I'll simply copy the fourth prompt, paste it into Gemini, click Generate, and wait for the image to be created. And there it is, my fourth image is now ready and looking fantastic. Moving on, I'll copy the prompt for scene 5, paste it into the generator, and click Generate. After a short processing time, boom, my fifth image is ready as well. As you can see, every scene maintains a professional and consistent visual style. Now I'm going to generate my second to last scene. I'll copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate. After a few moments, the result is ready, and once again the quality is excellent. Finally, I'll copy my last prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate. After a brief wait, boom, my final scene is now complete. As you can see, I've successfully generated 6 to 7 complete scenes, and all of them look absolutely fantastic. The visual quality, character consistency, and overall presentation are outstanding. These scenes are more than ready to be transformed into a professional animated video. You can clearly see the final results on your screen. The images look incredible, highly engaging, and perfectly optimized for creating viral content. The overall output is truly impressive. Now that all of our scenes are ready, the next step is very simple. We'll download all of the generated images because it's time to turn them into a fully animated video with professional voiceover. So let's download everything, move over to our video creation tool, and begin transforming these static images into an engaging animated video. Let's get started. Okay, viewers. Now open Flow AI. The great thing about Flow AI is that it's completely free to use, so there's no need to worry about any additional costs. First, click on New Project. After that, upload all the images that you want to convert into animated videos. These are the images we generated earlier using AI. Now, go to the video section and select their latest model, Omni Flash. This model is incredibly fast and efficient. For my first generation, I'll be using Omni Flash. Next, I'll select my first image, paste the video prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, my first video has started generating. At this stage, all you need is a little patience while the AI processes your request. After waiting for a short time, boom, my first animated video is now ready. Take a look at the result. The animation quality is excellent, the motion looks smooth, and the overall output is highly professional. This is exactly the kind of quality we're looking for. Now, let's move on to the second image. I'll select my second image, add the video prompt, and this time I'll choose the Veo 3.1 Lite model. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate. After a brief wait, the video is complete. You can see the result on your screen, and once again, the quality is absolutely amazing. The animations are smooth, engaging, and visually appealing. Next, I'll select one or two more images, add the corresponding video prompts, and generate the remaining scenes in exactly the same way. After waiting for all the generations to finish, let me show you the final results. Okay, viewers, now you can see that my complete project is ready. Take a look at the final output. The animations look fantastic, the scenes are highly engaging, and the overall video quality is outstanding. What makes this even more impressive is that I created this entire project using 100% free AI tools. From image generation to video creation, everything was done without spending any money. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable from it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel because your support means a lot to us. It motivates us to continue bringing you new ideas, new AI tools, and new opportunities to grow your content creation journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Goodbye and take care.